Delivery of the tumor blood samples to the Fraunhofer Bioarchive in Sulzbach, Saarland. The Saarland is one of the most innovative regions in Germany. Once a coal mining area, nowadays a high-tech location. In this context, the Bioarchive of the Fraunhofer Institute for Biomedical Engineering, IBMT, is known worldwide for its unique cryonic engineering technology and plays a prominent role. Highly qualified scientists immediately scan the biomaterial, such as the delivered blood samples, to maintain an uninterrupted cold chain. For this, they use a special data management system to collect the samples, a system that combines medicine with computer science. The Fraunhofer Bioarchive is one of several research institutes which has developed at the interface of medicine and computer science in the vicinity of Saarland University Hospital in Hamburg and the Saarland University in Saarbrücken. Volker Linneweber is the president of Saarland University. He particularly fosters the cooperation between medicine, which belongs to life sciences, and computer science. Saarland University promoted computer sciences early on, and we are convinced that it was a good decision. In the meantime, we have become the forerunners in this field nationwide. Life sciences are another main focus for our research, and the synergy, or the interaction between both, is primarily pursued here at Saarland University. The German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, DFKI, in Saarbrücken is an outstanding example for the synergy between IT and life sciences. It belongs to the most important centers of excellence worldwide. Scientists illustrate biological structures based on medical data. For instance, a virus through unique visualization and simulation systems. The DFKI partners with high-ranking computer-assisted research projects, also in the field of life sciences. The DFKI and the Fraunhofer IBMT, among others, are integrated as independent research institutes at the Center for Bioinformatics at Saarland University. Internationally renowned scientists of computer science, medicine, and natural sciences collaborate on an interdisciplinary level. Their objective is to improve medical diagnostics through appropriate computer models. As one of the rare scientists in Germany, bioinformatician Andreas Keller holds an interdisciplinary professorship at the Center for Bioinformatics. Professor Keller is to connect medicine and computer science more closely. Modern medical devices generate gigabytes of data. The human genome is composed of 3.3 billion individual components. It is our task to filter out those rare parts that are responsible for a disease with the help of computers and algorithms. Based on these parts, doctors are able to make individual decisions of therapy for tumor patients. Scientists at the Hamburg University Hospital are also the driving forces behind the connection between IT and medicine. Like Professor Michael Menger, he is the Dean of the Medical Faculty and has supported the development of STaRC. STaRC is a computer-based study and research center for clinical trials. With the foundation of STaRC, we will gain a multitude of data, biological and stochastic. Naturally, these data sets have to be processed. This means that it will be necessary to develop structures for the processing of big data on site within the next 5 years. Pediatric oncologist Professor Norbert Graf of Saarland University Hospital works on these structures through his project STaRC. STaRC is the acronym for Study, Trial and Research Center. Primarily, STaRC is a database for Europe-wide clinical studies of various tumor diseases. In the course of these studies, a multitude of data will occur. To process this big data, Professor Graf has developed an innovative data management system in cooperation with the Fraunhofer IBMT. Optima. Optima lessens bureaucracy significantly and thus lowers the costs. For example, the case report form creator allows doctors and data managers to generate all required datasheets. Another software module helps to maintain biobanks. The entire collected data in clinical studies for biomaterial, such as tumor samples, can be correlated with patient datasheets. Information pertaining to storage, the type, quantity, and analysis of the samples are entered into the system. Professor Graf's overall goal is to tailor the medical treatment to the individual patients, because to date, medicine has been standardized. Now it will be personalized. Research results from clinical studies are an important premise. For that, Professor Graf founded STaRC in order to integrate more people non-bureaucratically in clinical studies and to grant quicker access to current research results to doctors. STaRC joins computer science and clinical studies to promote personalized medicine. My vision of personalized medicine is that the patient receives the best possible therapy and that it cures the disease with the least possible side effects. This means we need to provide the patient with an environment that exactly pursues this goal. In my view, it is also important to place the patient in the center, which is what we generally call patient empowerment. This means the patient participates in the path we intend to pursue together. This is teamwork with the patient. Interdisciplinary clinical research is crucial in this regard. Fraunhofer Bioarchive offers the optimal conditions. Scientists store patient samples, such as saliva and tissue, or the delivered tumor samples, in hermetic cryotanks. These are cooled with liquid nitrogen up to -130 degrees Celsius. In addition, the samples are preserved in intelligent cryotubes with integrated memory chips. These contain all relevant data such as their origin. The chips are safely attached to the samples, so that loss or confusion is impossible. Even after decades of storage, scientists will still be able to reconstruct exactly whose patient's sample it is. The Bioarchive represents a particular locational advantage in the Saarland, which is also relevant for international research projects. The Fraunhofer Institute works, among others, with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in the field of HIV research. The synergy between medicine and computer science is increasingly gaining importance worldwide. In June 2013, the Computational Oncology Summer School took place at the Schloss Dagstuhl Leibniz Center for Informatics in Varden, Saarland. Internationally renowned pioneers in computer-based cancer research gave lectures on their respective research fields, such as bioinformatics, IT security, and ICT law. The summer school was hosted within the framework of P-Medicine. This is another international research project led by Professor Graf. It is supposed to be continued through STaRC to keep promoting research on personalized medicine. The summer school is a project within the P-Medicine consortium supported by the EU, which promotes personalized medicine. But personalized medicine, or the project P-Medicine, is not only supposed to run during the time it's supported by the EU, but beyond that. This is the goal of STaRC. STaRC shall promote the developments of P-Medicine. These people who meet here at the summer school and discuss personalized medicine from various fields will be the stakeholders who will promote STaRC in the future. The Bioarchive also contributes significantly to personalized medicine. Only the cryogenic storage of biomaterial allows for the long-term conservation of the contained information. Even after decades, scientists will still be able to analyze the DNA of a tumor patient found in the blood samples that are currently delivered to the Bioarchive. Physicians are able to develop individual, personalized therapy from these research results. To improve cryogenic storage even further, the Fraunhofer IBMT has developed a new system in cooperation with industrial partners that has been in use since 2013, the Hermetic Access Tower. Here, the samples are transported into the cryotank fully automatically. The computer screen displays the exact positioning of the samples. This ideal combination of high-tech, medicine and computer science is the unique feature of the cryobank. Stefan Kiefer is a computer scientist at the Fraunhofer IBMT and is responsible for the cooperation between IT and medicine. Research on biomaterial, such as cancer, tumor samples or blood, plays a vital role on the path to personalized medicine. Cryobanks, such as this one, provide biomaterial of high quality. It is our cryotechnology platform which guarantees such high quality of the samples. A second aspect is the production of data, which results from the analysis of the samples. These are massive amounts of data that have to be connected with the clinical data so that it can be interpreted and analyzed. Together with our partners, we provide the IT platforms that accomplish this task. The Saarland thus links life sciences and computer science under various constellations. And with the Saarland University Hospital in Hamburg, with STaRC, Saarland University in Saarbrücken, with the Center for Bioinformatics, the Fraunhofer IBMT and DFKI, the region proves to be an outstanding location. Hence, the Saarland is a flagship for interdisciplinary, innovative and applied research, well known beyond its borders, especially in the realm of personalizing medical treatment to the benefit of the patients.